Hello YouTube, this is another video by Super Archery Kid. I'm showing you my new and improved Knex gun. I built in a light on the grip and that. So, it's got my scope on it through the my iron sights, which really isn't used, my high capacity clip, and I will show you how bright it is. Built in, just right into there. Put that, rubber banded it on. Sorry about that. Rubber banded it on. Just a single rubber band. Put it through the clip. When I got an NWTF turkey meeting, bendable one. So, foregrip though, nice. Built it in because I had this broke away, so I've got it made up and built into it like that, solid. And then my safety, which just for looks, is on there. So there you have it, my new and improved assault rifle.